Oakley, do you like our new boat?
Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel po once again, Jeanette's Lifestyle. For my vlog for today, it's all about our unboxing.
Quick unboxing,
Yes,
checking
of this
what's inside and if everything is right.
boat.
Yeah, Mariner3.
Yeah, we have here the Intex Mariner, yes, boat.
You will get also a rolling motor for this next days.
Dada will unboxing it.
Then
Just arrived today, yeah.
Don't use knife, so I will be careful. The knife is not sharp, but I need to use a little bit here. I can see that it's no problem, nothing to damage. Ta-da! So this boat has a hard floor, and that's the floor. So you can stand on it, and that's here we have the oars, the paddling,
The paddle.
aluminium oars, yeah, paddling, and then the boat itself.
Oh my goodness. You need to pump it. Do you have a
Yes,
pump
yes, I will pump it just to check.
for that?
Okay, so the first impression is that boat looks like it should look. It's new, probably nothing is wrong. There is a hand pump.
Alright. It is together, yeah?
Yes,
That's good.
and two seats. Oh no, that's bag.
The
The
bag.
seats are, I think, packed together with the boat.
Yeah.
That's a bag for carrying
It
it.
has a bag as well, yes.
And then the last thing is some accessories. I think that's for the oars and instructions.
Oh, yes. Manual, yes.
Yeah,
Okay.
okay. Okay, and another cardboard box.
So are you going to start pumping, Dada?
Yes, yes. I would like to try if everything is alright. It was bought on Amazon, and you can just send it back in case anything is wrong. So we will do it now, and we will be already okay when we go to the sea. We will not worry if the boat is good enough.
Okay.
No punctures, no scratches or something.
So, guys, let's see.
What's the color? It's like gray, white and gray.
How much did you buy this, Daddy? How much you bought?
I paid £240 together with the motor holder. £217 the boat itself. But when I bought it, they changed the price to $365 for the boat only. I believe they don't have stock in Europe, and then they increased the price because it's summer.
Oh my
The
God.
usual price is about £300 for this boat.
This is very heavy.
It's heavy because this is a bit more sturdy and with the hard floor.
Yeah.
It's not a typical holiday boat, you know. It's something more. More. There are 3 layers of the walls. This is vinyl, the material, not just PVC.
Alright.
And it costs a bit more, of course. Then the seats are here as expected.
Oh, how many seats?
2 seats.
Alright.
but you can't see them inflated yet. Alright, and then the first thing before we pump it fully is to fit the rigid floor.
Okay. Hi, okay.
That's the rigid floor.
That's the floor, yeah?
Yeah, it's already assembled. I mean, I thought I had to do something here, but the
It's
plastic
already...
things are already inside. Yeah. And then there's a hole, and you need to see the same hole on the keel on the floor. I do my wrong way around because I can see it. Oh yeah, it's here. That's the vent, or how do you call it? Vacuum. That floor will stand on the boat without any problem. I think we will show if the boat is already fully assembled.
Yeah,
It will take a
so...
while. I will pump it a little bit first, just to make the shape already of the boat visible. Okay.
Dada started to
Maybe
pump,
not
yeah?
for the start, just to let it show us how far the floor should go.
Dada started to pump on the left side. And now on the right side. It takes energy to pump. It needs power. So this is only for 3%, yeah?
It's up to 400 kilograms.
Alright.
So such small people like us, it's not a problem, but I'm curious. Size tester,
Oh, there you go. Dada already
pressure tester,
finished or
simple.
done pumping.
Let's get this one. Retype it.
It's new, so we tried to check it if it's everything's okay, because if not, we can give it back, yeah. We bought it in Amazon, right, Dada?
Yes, Amazon UK.
So it seems everything's okay, yes?
Yeah. Let me just check. Should be here. Oh yeah. That's a simple thing but important.
What's that? Dada?
If it's already pumped up enough. Yeah. Yeah, that's perfect.
There is a checker.
And this one is good as well. I don't know whether they are still wrinkles, but it shows that it's already the right size.
Alright.
So there is a inflatable floor, yeah, keel. But I didn't pump it up here yet. Maybe at the end, just for a while.
So this one as well, yeah, you need to pump it?
Yeah, the keel
Okay.
will make the boat faster, more stable in the
Alright.
water. It's something quite important.
Okay. Yeah,
And
but
that makes the difference between cheap recreation, boat for £100 to this, a little bit already higher grade.
okay.
I like the rigid floor, so you can walk on the boat.
Yeah.
Well,
And the pump as well, the seat, yes? There you go, I will get in. Oh, that's nice. Not bad. Yeah, so...
this back
It's
is
gonna
for
be
battery,
fun.
yeah.
Oh, really?
There will be battery inside, and here the trolling motor,
Okay.
so we don't need to paddle.
Oh, so it can use as well with battery?
Yeah, that's only battery, so it's silent, ecologic.
Instead of
Yeah,
paddle?
yes,
Okay.
very silent and pretty fast.
That's cool.
46 pounds, and that means that it will go maybe not very fast, but fast. This is
So we put the paddle.
solid, yeah,
Yes.
pretty solid.
2 paddles.
And then
Easy to install, yeah. Or to assemble.
ouch. Okay,
There you go.
Paddles are installed. That's it. We will just wait a while to see if it's not leaking.
What leaking?
But it seems to hold the air. And then I will pump the keel at the very last and check the keel as well if we
There
want
you
to.
go.
It's like 3 adults.
Mariner3.
2 adults and 2
It's
children.
gonna be fun soon. Dada will use it.
We are waiting for life jackets because our life jackets are all in Philippines.
Yeah.
Together with paddle board, yeah.
Our kayak there.
Yeah, and kayak. How does it like? Not yet. It's hard to say. Okay, the keel is pumped. More or less.
Yeah, it's already not balanced.
Yeah, let me try now to close it. So I believe this one, oh no, it has also a auto stop valve.
Yeah.
I don't know if I have to push it now. Maybe not, huh? Yeah. Yes. That's it. Easier to close than to open.
It's already.
Yeah, because it's for you know, for the water, yeah, then
Yeah,
it
so
will be
it's
like
not
a
already.
boat.
Yeah. It's not already straight. There you go. So there you go, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed watching our unboxing with this Mariner3 boat, yeah. So thanks for watching, guys. It's time for me to say bye for now.